Hello, my name's Odessa, and here are two commonly confused English words. It's October, so let's get a little spooky. Today's two words are fear and afraid. These words are very similar. They both talk about being scared. Like, oh my gosh, I don't like spiders. I don't like the dark. I'm scared of it. Instead of using scared, which is a very basic English word, most people try to, use the word fear and afraid more often. When you want to use the word fear, you have to remember that in English we have fears. Just like we are our ages, we have our fears. I have a fear of spiders. I have a fear of dogs. Do you have a fear of spiders? Does she have a fear of? And so on. When we talk about being afraid, you are afraid. So you say things like, I am afraid of spiders. She is afraid of spiders. Are they afraid of spiders? So they mean the same thing, but when you use them, you'll be using different sentence structures, which is the main difference with these two words. That's all for today. See you next time.